Whether crafted by machine or the human hand, precision is everything in the synthesis of glass.
You have to anticipate the flow, keep the temperature constant.
The contrast is stark, yet the principle remains the same. It is the skillful precision of the human hand that shapes the molten glass.
Here, the skillful precision of the human hand transforms the molten sand into art.
Here we see the dramatic contrast, the colossal scale of the industrial plant versus the focused precision of the artisanal.
The cooling needs to be absolutely precise on this one.
Agreed. Keep the rotation even.
These giant hoppers add the sodium carbonate and limestone. It's all about precision here. Yeah.
Careful with the heat on that one. Keep it centered.
From the colossal industrial plant to the intimate artisanal workshop, the transformation of glass demands absolute precision.
From the roaring industrial furnaces to the quiet artisanal kilns, the orange-gold light of the molten...
Turn it slowly now.
Steady, keep it even. The color is perfect on this batch.
Yes, the temperature held well. Bring the marver down slowly. This is where the material science meets the craftsmanship. The computer controls the thickness here to a perfect standard.
I see the consistency now.
Here, precision is controlled by computers. But in the workshop, it is the skillful precision of the human hand that shapes the molten glass.
Look at how the surface tension creates that flawless sheet. The precision at this temperature is everything.
This endless ribbon of glass formed over the molten tin bath is a testament to precision engineering.
By introducing a precisely controlled atmosphere of nitrogen and hydrogen over the molten tin bath, we ensure the glass remains pristine.
As the glass ribbon is lifted from the tin bath, the cooling process begins, rapidly shifting the color from molten orange to perfectly clear.
Here, the molten glass enters the annealing layer, where temperature is controlled with absolute precision by the computers.
Scanner shows 0 defects on this sheet, Maven.
Excellent. Let's maintain the furnace temperature.
Absolute precision is key here. As the glass cools, sensors ensure a perfect, consistent thickness across the ribbon.
The diamond tip must be calibrated to the micron for a perfect score. Look at that stability.
Look at that edge. The automated bar couldn't have done it cleaner. Truly remarkable precision.
While the factory strives for uniformity, we find beauty in the flaws, transforming what they discard into art.
This closed-loop system ensures every piece of color is returned to the furnace. Whether industrial or artisanal, it is...
Look at the color on this one.
It's absolutely perfect. Look at Formula C. We need to adjust the heat here.
I see it. The copper levels are slightly off. Okay, that's the cobalt. Now we move on to the iron red, carefully now. Keep the angle consistent.
I've got it. Pouring steady.
There, perfectly aligned. Excellent control, that's exactly right.
Almost ready now. See how the heat changes the viscosity.
It's mesmerizing, isn't it? The precision of the hand versus the machine.
Look at the flow right there.
Yes, watch the temperature. Ready the marver. The gather is perfect today. Need to keep the spin steady. Steady now, right into the center. Perfect thickness on that edge. Steady now, keep the flow even.
Yes, maestro. Bringing it up slowly.
The alignment is spot on.
The thickness? And the thickness?
Exactly 3 millimeters.
Check the alignment on this edge.
Looks good. Keep the heat steady.
Keep the edge high. Watch the heat.
Yes, centering it now. Keep the temperature stable overnight. We'll open it in the morning.
Right at the threshold now.
Look at that clarity, truly masterful.
Ready, lift slowly. Steady now. It looks magnificent.
The alignment has to be perfect before we score it. See the edge right here?
Yes, I see it. Hold steady.
Start the score precisely here. Yes, the alignment is critical.
Here, precision is controlled of the skillful human hand, emphasizing the synthesis of craftsmanship.
Absolutely flawless execution on the score.
The precision is remarkable. That's exactly what we're looking for. This is why we do it by hand. You just can't get this texture from the machines.
Whether forged by machine or by hand, the precise control over this molten material is the true art.
Whether crafted by hand or machine, the precision in the tin bath is paramount to the final product.
Here's the latest float glass, precisely 6 millimeters.
The clarity is exceptional. Let's see how it cuts.
This is the difference. Absolute precision controlled by machine versus the skillful precision of the artist.
The alignment of the tool needs to be perfectly flush. Otherwise, the surface tension breaks. We need to work quickly before it cools too much. Make sure the edges are perfectly flat.
Hold the temperature steady.
It's cooling nicely, right on schedule.
It's incredible what we can do with sand. But does automation lose the magic of the human touch?
Whether forged by machine or by hand, the true art lies in the absolute precision of the craft.
Look at the consistency. Both equally stunning examples of the craft.
How do you achieve this level of flatness?
It's all about controlling the heat on the marver.
The precision here is extraordinary.
A perfect blend of the automated process. Exactly. It allows.
The way the light refracts here, it speaks to the material's memory of heat. It's exquisite craftsmanship.
This isn't just glass. It's the foundation of our future, limited only by our imagination.
Look at that perfect thickness.
The precision on the alignment is stunning. It was worth the heat.
A little more heat on the edge there.
All right, leveling it now.
Yet, the skillful precision of the human hand remains essential. From the colossal furnaces to the artisanal kilns,
From the roar of the industrial plant to the quiet focus of the workshop, the transformation of sand by fire remains.
We take the raw earth and through fire, we transform it into something beautiful.
Whether crafted by machine or the human hand, Precision is everything in the synthesis of glass.